Hey everyone, hope you all are good, and today I'm here to explain you about Embrace Pangea reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site and it is an online shopping store that is based in United States that deals with multiple products including whole foods, yoni healthcare items, skincare items, oral care products, hair care products, digestive health items, supplements, men, women items, herbal detoxes, unnatural hygiene products, etc. So you can take a look here. And apart from that, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now, let's talk about the payment information. So, this is the exclusive collection and coming to the payment info. So, yes, the modes of payment that are available on the site are American Express, Discover, GCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, etc. So, you can visit this web page to know more about this. Now, guys, let's talk about the shipping information. So here you can see they have not provided the exact shipping duration, but yes, you can find the shipping info in the FAQ section. So let us check out the shipping policy. So this is the order processing information and shipping information. They have mentioned that the order processing time will take around 24 to 72 hours. And coming to the shipping policy, so they have mentioned the entire information related to working days and contact number as well, but they have not provided the exact delivery info or duration, guys. So you can read the entire info for your knowledge. And guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is protected through HTTPS protocol, which is a positive sign and has an SSL certificate that makes the site secure to access. This is a positive sign. Coming to the domain information, so guys, it was created on 12th of May 2014. So this site is more than 6 years old, guys, which is a positive sign and it defined its legitimacy. Now coming to the company's info, you need to visit the about us page and they have provided the detailed information, which is a positive sign. But guys, I'm not able to view the info related to business establishment year, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign. Now coming to the contact details, you need to check out the contact us page, and here they have provided the address, email address and contact number, which is a positive sign. Apart from that, the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, guys. Now coming to the social media existence, you can take a look that the site has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. And guys, let's check out the followers on Instagram social media platform. So this is the profile on Instagram, and you can see it. The site comes with 79.3k followers on Instagram, which is a positive sign, and it comes with thousands of followers on Facebook and YouTube as well. So this is a positive sign. The strong social media presence of this site makes the site quite legitimate, guys. Now coming to the return policy, let's check out the return policy. For that, again, you need to visit the FAQ section, guys, because in this section you will find some separated sections including reviews, policies, shipping policy, refund policy, etc. So they have mentioned that all sales are final, there is no refund except for duplicate orders. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding refund or return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers while making any online purchase or reviewing a website. Now guys, coming to the Embrace Pangea reviews, we have found a few positive comments on the official website, which is a positive sign, and we know that customer reviews plays an important role while defining a website's legitimacy. So you can check out the positive comments or reviews on the products that are available on this site, and they are appraising the quality of the products. Apart from that, you can take a look. One of the customers said, I am the first customer, and when unnoticed this particular product, I decided to purchase 6 at a time. I'm so glad I did. It is wonderful, smells great, and leaves your lady parts clean and refreshed. So these are the positive comments that makes the site quite legitimate. But guys, it's really very important to check out the entire reviews before making any online purchase. Apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 86%, which is a positive sign or a good sign. So in the final conclusion, we would say explore the entire website before making any online purchase, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully, guys, before you decide to place any order. The site appears to be legit, but more research is required as well. And guys, I request you all to share your experience with this website so that other customers can invest their money on valuable or worthable sites. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.